In front of me is Realme 12, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Then click on Keyboard and Input Method. Tap on Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Lastly, click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!